celebrity Ryan Kushner. You remember... Hi, I'm internet celebrity Ryan Kushner. Do it again! Ready? Roll. Hi there. I'm internet celebrity Ryan Kushner. You may remember me from fun productions like My Roast Duck, or the hit YouTube series Bad Art. Today I'm here with a product that I think just might excite you and get you bubbling for more. Come with me. Now we're in the kitchen, where things really get hot. Let's check out the product on my kitchen table. Oh, say you come home. Let's back up. Say you come home from a long, stressful day at the film set where you're starring alongside Keanu Reeves, and well, as an extra in a Keanu Reeves movie. You come home to your apartment and you're thinking, hey, I could really kick back and use a bubbly. But you're an alcoholic, so you can't drink beer. What else is there? What's left? I'll tell you what's left. Food Lion's sparkling water. Blackberry raspberry flavor. Go on. Don't be shy, get in there. Don't pills. Let's talk a little bit more about Food Lion's sparkling water. Now you're probably thinking to yourself, Food Lion? What makes me want to drink their sparkling water in my mouth? Well, don't touch them. Well, I'll tell you what might make you a little bit tingly for the sparkly. And that's its refreshing flavor and taste. Now, it may be bubbly, but let me tell you something. It goes down smooth. Watch and learn. All you do is you take off the cap, like so. Bam. You've got yourself a nice drinky hole right there. And it's ready for you, and it doesn't cost any extra. You can find these for about, I don't know, 79 cents.
You fill up my senses like a night in a forest, like the mountains in spring.
That's refreshing. And that's just only one of the many things that this drink can give you is refreshment. Other things it can give you, longer life. Come to the bedroom. Let me show you what else I have. Excuse the mess. Now, you're probably thinking to yourself, wow, he sold me. I have no more questions about that product. Well, I can sell but just about anything, okay? If you consider me for your product. Take this Revlon hairdryer, for example. Now, this is a product that people think, wow, who could possibly sell this? I mean, look at this. Ooh, it sucks. You're wrong. It's amazing. All you do is you plug it in the wall, huh? You got yourself a hair dryer ready to go. And you see, it's already blowing the hair, drying it, all of the sweat that I've accumulated since we began this video. And this is only the first level. What do you say we kick it up a notch? Ooh. Ah! So before you do anything this evening, why don't you go ahead and stop by your nearest Food Line for a sparkling water. It's 0 calories. You're basically drinking a fruit. And don't forget, dry your hair with Revlon. Your hair will be so dry you can watch bad art on YouTube and give it a like and subscribe, because I have nothing. I have nothing. I have nothing.
Like a storm in the desert, like a sleepy blue ocean, you fill up my senses.